Hey everybody, welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. If this is your first time here, my family decided to become more self-sufficient, and I scour the internet looking for items that you can make at home to replace the products that you purchase in the store. It saves you money, and you know what's in the ingredients, so they're chemical free and they're much healthier for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a makeup remover with the pads that you would normally buy in the store. Now, men, don't go away. You could surprise your lady for Christmas by making this and giving it to her as a gift, and she will totally be surprised that you thought of making something for her. Just a thought. So stick around, and as we say around here, let's go down the shore. Okay, so first I have to do a little plug. I bought this hot sauce recently because I saw a kid online who created this business because his 8th grade teacher told him, I believe he said, it was an unrealistic idea. Now this kid has cerebral palsy. That makes me want to purchase something from him just because he has actually created a business even though he has a disability. And this business is going to help take care of him for the rest of his life. I am not affiliated with this company. I just thought this kid was hilarious and you need to check him out. I'll put a link to his site in the description below. Let me show you how to make this makeup remover. It's super easy. You need a funnel. You need a small jar that will hold these little pads that most people use. See how they're little and they'll fit right in there. And I got these cotton rounds from Amazon, but you can buy them. I think the dollar store even has them. You need witch hazel, you need jojoba oil, you need aloe vera, and you need tea tree essential oil. Now I'll link all of this down in the description below so that you have an easier time of getting all the products here. But if you can buy these local, I suggest you do that. And you're going to need a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. Now I will say I found these bamboo tablespoons recently and I love them because there's no chemicals in them. It's all bamboo. It's pretty neat. So enough of the plugs for products that I'm not affiliated with. I just thought they were really cool. Oh, and you need a glass bowl. Now, I guess you could just mix it into this jar, but I'm going to mix it in and then I'll pour it in. So basically what you need is 2 tablespoons of witch hazel, and then you need 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. It would help if I took the seal off. So 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Okay. Remember guys, if you make this for your significant other, she'll be totally impressed. I know I would if my husband made this for me. If you don't have aloe vera, you could just use 2 tablespoons of filtered water if that's all you have. And then 2 drops of tea tree oil. Oops. Well, there's like 4 or 5 in there, but that's okay. So now what I'm going to do is stir this up, and I'm going to pour it into my little jar here. Oh, look at that. It fit perfectly. I never get that lucky. Okay, so in theory, you don't have to put the cotton pads inside here. You can either dip them in or you could pour it on the cotton pad. But I thought it'd be cool to try and put the pads in here because I'm lazy. So I want to be able to just pull a pad out and use it when I want. And of course, I'm going to make a mess all over my nice table runner here that I have for Halloween. It's all right. That's what soap's for, right? Oh, man, I cracked myself up. All right, so I don't know how many I got in there. So it looks like there's about 10 in there. Maybe less, maybe more. Who knows? If you want to put them in the container, you can. I just did. If you don't want to make a mess, make sure you put the cotton pads in first before you put the liquid in. That would make more sense. But this is the Down the Shore Homestead channel, and I show you all my epic failures and my successes. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And I didn't put on any makeup today because work's been crazy, and that's why I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. So I apologize, but let me go throw some mascara on real quick, and I'll show you how well this works. Okay, so I couldn't find the mascara, so I put on eyeliner. So let me come over there to show you that I put eyeliner on. Hopefully you guys could see that. And I'm going to take it off. And as you can see, there's stuff on the pad. So I think this works pretty good. Hopefully you'll try this out. And men, don't forget to make this for your significant other for Christmas, because she will be amazed that you took the time to make something for her, and it'll save you money, and you know exactly what's in it, so there are no chemicals. So if you like this video and the failures and how I show you that everybody makes mistakes, like forgetting to take the seal off of the bottle, but don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Again, my family and I try to bring you recipes and things that you can use to become more self-sufficient so that you can save money, have chemical-free items, and you don't have to go to the store. Rocco's down here ringing the bell because he's upset because he wants to go outside and play. So if you want to see more of Rocco in the videos, don't forget to give me some hearts in the comments below to let me know that you want to see him, and I'll show you him in a second. So hey, Rock, you keep ringing the bell because you want to go outside and play? You need to fix your ear, silly. Okay, everybody, Rocco's going to show you how he catches his ball playing wall ball. Ready? Ready? Yes. Ready? Yes. Ready? Yes.